Okay, this is the wheel horse tractor that I recently bought for $100. Trying to figure out why it won't start. So we're cranking it, and gas is blowing out the front of the carburetor. And I could tell there was something wrong with the compression. So I went and pulled the head off. Film the engine cranking, and you can see the intake valve is stuck open. See the piston moving, exhaust valve's moving, the intake valve's stuck. So that explains the pressure from the cylinder coming up and blowing out the intake port back through the carburetor. So we got to find out why that's sticking. It's either bent or broke or rusted, and then fix it. Okay, we'll keep you posted.